Welcome to the fourth lecture. In this, we will learn about how to calculate the moment of inertia on I section. You know what is I section, T section, L section? Yes, in the applied mechanics, we had seen I section is the section which looks like the alphabet I. In the last lecture, we had learned how to solve the numerical on circular plane. Then, learning outcome achieved during this session is compute moment of inertia, polar moment of inertia and section modulus of symmetrical and unsymmetrical I, T and hollow section and build sections. Course outcome mapped is articulate practical application of moment of inertia of symmetrical and unsymmetrical structural section. Now, I section, in the I section, what this is top flange, this is web and this is bottom flange. Note it, top flange, web, bottom flange. Now we will see how to calculate the I section and how to analyze it moments of inertia. So here, after the plane geometrical figure, we will move towards the sections. There are various type of section, I section, T section, channel section. Some of the section we will see. Here I section is given. What is in the question? Determine moment of inertia about x-axis and y-y axis as shown in figure. Here given is I section. In I section, this portion is top flange, bottom portion is bottom flange and the middle one portion is web. So what we will do, we will first divide this I section in three part. हम तीन पार्ट में डिवाइड करेंगे, फर्स्ट, सेकेंड एंड थर्ड, और हम इसको नाम देंगे B1 D1, B2 D2, B3 D3. सबसे पहली स्टेप हमारी सॉल्यूशन की रहेंगी कि टू फाइंड एरिया. सबसे पहले हम क्या फाइंड करेंगे? एरिया. A1 दैट इज B1 इंटू D1 180 इंटू 20. 3600 mm स्क्वायर. यूनिट पे ध्यान दो, 3600 mm स्क्वायर. एरिया 2 दैट इज B2 इंटू D2. B2 कितना है? 20 इंटू D2 कितना है? 220. दैट इज 4400 mm स्क्वायर. A3 B3 इंटू D3. B3 कितना है तुम्हारा? 250. D3 20. अगेन सॉल्व करेंगे हम लोग, 5000 mm स्क्वायर. ये हमको मिल गया A1 A2 A3. अब हम लोग फाइंड करेंगे Y1 Y2 Y3. Y1 बॉटम से, y मीन्स होता है वर्टिकल डिस्टेंस. y मतलब क्या होगा तुम्हारा? वर्टिकल डिस्टेंस. बॉटम से पहले रेक्टेंगल का हाफ. अब बॉटम से y एक्सिस इसको हम बोलेंगे y एक्सिस. पहले रेक्टेंगल का हाफ कितना आएगा? 20 का हाफ, डेट इज 10 mm. सेकेंड रेक्टेंगल, फर्स्ट प्लस सेकेंड का हाफ, 20 प्लस 220 का हाफ. ये कितना हो जाएगा? 130 mm. फर्स्ट प्लस सेकेंड प्लस थर्ड का हाफ, 20 प्लस 220 प्लस 20 का हाफ. ये कितना हो जाएगा तुम्हारा? 240 प्लस 10 250 mm. y bar is equals to A1 Y1 plus A2 Y2 plus A3 Y3 upon A1 plus A2 plus A3. A1 3600 multiply by 10 plus 4400 multiply by 130 plus 5000 into 250 upon 3600 plus 4400 plus 5000. Putting in calci and calculating, we get the answer. So 142.92 mm. इसके बाद की हमारी स्टेप रहेंगी H1, H2 और H3 कैलकुलेट करना. H1 का फॉर्मूला है y बार माइनस y1 और y1 माइनस y बार. अब आप लोग बोलेंगे सर दो फॉर्मूले कैसे, y बार माइनस y1 भी, y1 माइनस y बार भी. सो वी हैव टू सी द वैल्यू. ग्रेटर वैल्यू शुड बी माइनस्ड बाय द स्मॉलर वैल्यू. सो h1 y bar is 142.92, y1 is 10. So 142.92 minus 10, that is 132.92 mm. H2 142.92 minus 130, that is 12.92 mm. H3 250 minus 142.92, that is 107.08. Next step is to find moment of inertia about x-axis. Moment of inertia about x-axis, that is Ixx1 is equals to b into d cube by 12, Ixx2 b2d2 cube by 12, Ixx3 b3d3 cube by 12. What is b? 180 into 20 cube upon 12, 20 into 220 cube upon 12, 250 into 20 cube upon 12. By calculating, we get 180 into 20 cube by 12, 20 into 220 cube by 12, and 250 into 20 cube by 12. So by calculating, we got 120 into 10 raised to power 3 mm raised to power 4. Next is 17.746 into 10 raised to power 6 mm raised to power 4. Third one 166.67 into 10 raised to power 3 mm raised to power 4. Now in earlier slide we had learned parallel axis theorem. What we had learned? Parallel axis theorem. What it was? That is Ig is equals to Ixx plus A into h square. We have to use this formula. By parallel axis theorem, Ixx is equals to Ixx1 plus A1 multiply by h1 का square plus Ixx2 A2 into h2 का square plus Ixx3 plus A3 into h3 का square. Then we will put here value. What was Ixx1? 120 into 10 raised to power 3 plus A1 3600 multiply by h1 132.92 square plus Ixx2 17.746 into 10 raised to power 6 plus A2 4400 into H2 12.92 square plus third bracket Ixx3 166.67 into 10 raised to power 3 plus area 3 5000 multiply by H3 107.08 square is equals to, put bracket wise in calci. First 120 into 10 raised to power 3 plus 3600 into 132.92 square, put in calci. Then second 17.74 into 10 raised to power 6 plus 4400 into 12.92 square plus 166.61 into 10 raised to power 3 5000. To total by calculating we get 121.95 into 10 raised to power 6 mm raised to power 4. This is the moment of inertia about x axis of I section Similarly, we have to calculate for IYY. In IYY, directly by putting formula, we can calculate easily. That is D1 B1 cube by 12 plus D2 B2 cube by 12 plus D3 B3 cube by 12. Put here value 20 into 180 cube by 12 plus 220 into 20 cube by 12 plus 20 into 250 cube by 12. Again solve it on calci and 35.90 into 10 raised to power 6 mm raised to power 4. अभी हमने देखे आई सेक्शन कैसे सॉल्व करना था. हम एक बार क्विक रिवाइज करेंगे हमने क्या देखे. सबसे पहली स्टेप थी, हाँ कॉपी में नोट करिए, सबसे पहले स्टेप थी कि हमने आई सेक्शन को 3 रेक्टेंगल में डिवाइड किए, एरिया निकाले, y1 y2 y3 y बार निकाले, h1 h2 h3 ixx1 ixx2 ixx3 total ixx3 by parallel axis theorem, then IYY by simple application, that is dB cube by 12, dB cube by 12 and dB cube by 12. Thank you. Try to make more and more numericals, refer MSBT question papers and solve it. It is very interesting subject. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.